Hi there, I'm Dave Allen, I'm Good and Geeky, and Glitschka Studios have asked me to have a look at this, and we're in an application called Amadeus Pro. And what he wants to do is he wants to take an area, so take an area like this here. He wants to keep the length of the audio the same, but he wants to remove this here to make that area silent. And it's quite easy. So what you do is you go to Effects and go to Generators, Generate Silence. Or you could use a shortcut that's there and just leave it on duration of selection. Click on OK and job done. That's one way of doing it. Another way to do it would be to go to Effects and to go to Amplify and basically change this to a minus figure here. So we're going to take that and put it down to minus 30 dB. And that removes a good part of it, so you need to remove a good more of it than that to take it down, right down. So just do that again until you've got enough of it gone. So that's one way, another way of doing it. But as I say, probably the best way to do it is to go into Effects, go to Generate Silence, leave it on duration of selection and click on OK. And you've got a space there that's got no sound in it, and that's just what Glitschka Studio was looking for. And another way to do this would be to put the cursor at the start where you want to start your silence and go to Tracks and do Split Clip. Move your cursor over here to where you want it to end and you go to Tracks and Split Clip again. Then make sure you've got this one selected here. So do a right click on it and do a Delete Clip. And there you go, you've got your space in there in between, and it's another way of chopping out a bit of sound. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and a like, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye bye now.